Are you tired of relying on luck and guesswork in the volatile world of Bitcoin trading? Discover the secret Bitnodes tool that's taking the trading community by storm. In this video, we'll reveal the powerful features and benefits of this game-changing tool, and show you how it can help you make more informed, data-driven decisions to maximize your profits. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this tool is a must-have for anyone serious about success in the world of Bitcoin. So what are you waiting for? Watch now and start trading like a pro. Join me as I dive into the world of Bitcoin trading and see if I can master this secret Bitnodes tool that everyone's talking about. In this video, you will explore a powerful tool called Bitnodes that can help Bitcoin traders gain insights into network activity and make informed decisions. Bitnodes is a tool that helps analyze and track the Bitcoin network by identifying active nodes that support the blockchain. It provides real-time data on the number of reachable nodes, the geographic distribution, and the overall health of the network. By using Bitnodes, traders and enthusiasts can monitor the decentralization and security of the Bitcoin network, ensuring it remains robust and resilient. Bitcoin traders need this secret Bitnodes tool now because it allows them to assess network stability and detect potential disruptions. By understanding node activity, they can make informed decisions regarding transaction speeds and security risks. Bitnodes also helps traders verify network consensus, ensuring they are operating within a healthy and functional blockchain ecosystem. Many traders struggle with understanding Bitcoin's network dynamics, which can lead to missed opportunities and poor trading outcomes. This lack of understanding often stems from not having the right tools to analyze network activity. Bitcoin's network is complex, with thousands of nodes operating worldwide, making it difficult to keep track of what's happening. Traders need to be able to see the bigger picture to make smart decisions. Without a clear view of network activity, traders are essentially flying blind, relying on guesswork rather than data-driven insights. This uncertainty can be a major obstacle to success in the competitive world of Bitcoin trading. You will delve into how Bitnodes functions, showcasing its features such as node distribution maps and real-time statistics that can enhance your trading approach. Bitnodes provides a wealth of information, including details on node distribution, which can help traders identify trends and patterns in network activity. The tool offers real-time statistics, giving traders up-to-the-minute information on what's happening in the network. By using Bitnodes, traders can gain a deeper understanding of Bitcoin's network dynamics, allowing them to make more informed decisions. The platform is user-friendly, making it accessible to traders of all levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. The moment you reveal how using Bitnodes can provide traders with a competitive edge by identifying network trends and potential market shifts. Bitnodes can help traders anticipate market movements, giving them a head start on the competition. By analyzing node distribution and network activity, traders can identify trends and patterns that may indicate future market shifts. This information can be used to make more accurate predictions, allowing traders to stay one step ahead of the game. Using Bitnodes can be a game changer for traders. Bitnode provides the insights they need to succeed in the fast-paced world of Bitcoin trading. Bitnodes is a tool that helps monitor the Bitcoin network by identifying active nodes and analyzing network performance. It provides insights into node distribution, connectivity, and overall blockchain health, making it a valuable resource for Bitcoin traders and investors. By using Bitnodes, traders can assess network stability, detect potential risks, and ensure they operate within a secure and functional blockchain ecosystem. Bitcoin traders need this secret Bitnodes tool now because it helps them track the network's decentralization, monitor transaction speeds, and identify potential congestion or disruptions. This tool allows them to make data-driven trading decisions, improving their chances of executing profitable trades. Stay updated on Bitcoin trends, price movements, and market news. Use technical and fundamental analysis to predict price direction and make informed trading decisions. Set stop-loss and take profit levels to minimize losses and secure profits. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. Monitor Bitcoin node activity to assess network stability and transaction confirmation times. High congestion can lead to delayed transactions and higher fees, impacting short-term trades. If using leverage, manage your risk carefully. High leverage can amplify gains but also lead to significant losses if the market moves against your position. Monitor social media, news, and trading volumes to gauge market sentiment. Positive sentiment can drive prices up, while negative sentiment can cause sharp declines. Use secure wallets and enable two-factor authentication to protect your Bitcoin holdings. Avoid storing large amounts of Bitcoin on exchanges to reduce hacking risks. Stick to a trading plan and avoid emotional decision-making. FOMO, fear of missing out, and panic selling can lead to losses. One of the most critical aspects is understanding the health and decentralization of the Bitcoin network. Bitnodes provides data on the number of reachable nodes and their distribution across the globe. Traders looking to assess the security and reliability of the network. A decentralized and healthy network decreases the likelihood of vulnerabilities, ensuring smoother and safer transactions. Another crucial insight is the geographical spread of Bitcoin nodes. By knowing where nodes are located, traders can predict how different regions may experience network congestion, especially when the Bitcoin network faces high demand. This knowledge helps traders prepare for possible delays in transactions, especially during busy market hours. Transaction speed and confirmation times are also essential for traders who rely on quick execution. With Bitnodes, traders can track the real-time status of Bitcoin block propagation and node activity, giving them a clear picture of how long it might take for their transactions to be confirmed. If the network is congested, traders can adjust their strategies accordingly, avoiding delays that could cost them in terms of missed opportunities or increased transaction fees. The health of the Bitcoin network overall is another valuable insight provided by Bitnodes. Monitoring the capacity of the network to handle large volumes of transactions allows traders to gauge potential risks. For instance, if the network starts experiencing slower block propagation or a drop in node activity, it might signal an issue that could affect the execution of trades. Latency, or the delay in communication between regions, is another factor that traders can observe through Bitnodes. Knowing the latency between different geographical locations helps traders understand how fast their transactions might propagate. Faster latency means quicker transaction processing, which is crucial for those looking to execute trades in a short time frame. What sets Bitnodes apart is its ability to reveal potential risks that may not be immediately visible on price charts or other trading platforms. By using Bitnodes to monitor the network's stability, traders can make informed decisions that go beyond market trends, incorporating a more holistic view of the Bitcoin ecosystem. This deeper insight into the network's performance can be a key factor in securing profits and minimizing the risks associated with Bitcoin trading. By combining Bitnodes with smart trading strategies, Bitcoin traders can improve their decision-making, reduce risks, and increase profitability in the ever-volatile crypto market. The tool can help traders identify opportunities and potential pitfalls, allowing them to adjust their strategies accordingly. Bitnodes empowers Bitcoin traders with critical insights, and reiterate the importance of staying informed about network changes. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Bitnodes and how it's helped you with your Bitcoin trading. Have you used it to track network health or transaction speeds? Drop your experiences in the comments below. If you're looking for more tips and strategies to improve your trading game, make sure to check out my other videos. Join the conversation and leave your thoughts in the comments about your experiences with Bitnodes, and be sure to check out my other videos on trading strategies. I've got plenty of content packed with useful insights that will help you navigate the crypto world more confidently. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates on new videos.